For decades, auctions have relied on the same tools: desks, terminals, screens, and the time it takes to find the information you need. But technology has evolved. What once seemed impossible is now within reach. The moment a vehicle arrives, the process begins. Vehicles are identified, workflows are streamlined, operations move faster. On the auction floor, auctioneers gain immediate visibility into the sale. Dealer interactions become more informed. Questions are answered faster. Service becomes more personal. Operators gain real-time insight across the entire auction, from check-in to the auction lane to dealer services. Every department becomes more connected. The right information available in real time. Where the work is happening, not tied to a desk, not limited to a terminal. Empowering your team to work smarter, respond faster, and deliver a better auction experience. Auction streaming, built for the next evolution of auction operations.